Hey everyone, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx.
Hey guys, I'm Kevin from SnowboardProCamp.
So Kevin is an amazing snowboarder. He's been an instructor for a long time, and now he teaches the world on YouTube how to be better snowboarders and I think just better people. And Kevin's been helping me a little bit. About an intermediate snowboarder at this point. I'm okay on some blue runs, but I want to learn, I want to get comfortable, I want to get more confident just going a little bit faster. I don't think I'll ever be the fastest guy on the mountain, but I just want to keep up with my friends.
Yeah, the speed comes with being more in control. So the more that you can ride and feel like you have control over each turn and over your edges, then that'll give you the confidence to just ride a little bit faster. How's it been going this week with I
definitely feel some progression.
Nice.
Definitely feel like I'm getting a little bit faster, a little bit better. It's kind of hard because I'm trying to keep up with you guys.
Yeah.
That's really hard. But compared to myself, which is just the way the world really should work, I feel like I've made significant improvements. So you've given me a few tips and I'm hoping you share them with the world.
Yeah, definitely. The first tip is on each turn, you want to spray a little snow out the side. When you're a beginner, you kind of make your turn and then spray snow down the hill. And that's fine and that's great, but the next progression is to start spraying it out the side, and by spraying snow out the side, you'll slow yourself down and control your speed with each turn, which then will allow you to ride faster and more consistently.
Okay, next tip.
Second tip is to try to get those turns nice and even. There's lots of tricks you can do to make your turns even. One thing that I always have taught people in the past is you can sort of count to 3 in your head as you turn, and that'll ensure that your heel turn and your toe turn are the same shape. And then with that same shape, you'll get in a good rhythm, which is great for speed, having good rhythm.
I think I know exactly what you mean, because I'm a little bit more comfortable toe side. So I'll go toe for a while, a little bit of heel, toe for a while, a little bit of heel. So you're talking about just kind of a little even. Yeah,
because sometimes what happens is people, they hold a lot of speed through one turn and then kill it all in the other.
Yes.
So if you can even that out by doing a little counting your head, building a rhythm, then that'll give you speed.
That's a really good tip. Okay, cool.
So the third tip is actually to steer and be more balanced on your board. So by steering, it makes your turns more aggressive, and when you have more aggressive turns, then you can control your speed better. So again, allowing you to just ride faster. And a couple tactics you can use to steer more aggressively. One is to take your backhand, have it over the tail of your board.
Yes.
Rob, you've been doing that one,
That makes a big difference. Instead of twisting your body opposite, you kind of gradually do the turn and you actually catch an edge and carve versus just kind of banging your way around. And it's just a lot smoother.
Definitely, yeah. So helping you steer better, more control, and more balance too. With that backhand over the tail, everything is lined up. So when you have more balance, it's just going to give you more confidence to ride with speed as well. And then the second thing for steering is using your front knee and shoulder to kind of direct your board into the way that you want to ride.
Yeah. So
that's going to make your turns more aggressive again and just allow you to kill some of that, a little bit of speed, and make your turns more consistent. And with consistency comes more speed, more aggressive riding.
I felt that front knee kind of pointing the way, kind of leading the way.
Nice.
Instead of forcing it, has made a huge difference.
Perfect, yeah. And I guess the last thing, guys, just practice and build it up gradually. So start out slow and look at the terrain too. Don't try and improve your speed on days where it's icy or bad visibility. Pick the right day to start to progress with your speed and your turns.
What about also just looking ahead versus looking at your board? That's a big thing too, right?
Definitely. I feel like just in general with your balance, if you're looking down ahead and sort of planning a few turns ahead of time and seeing how the run dips and turns ahead of you, then that will also allow you to set up your turns to maximize your speed for the terrain ahead, definitely.
And just like in life, look where you want to go.
Exactly.
If you look where you don't want to go, you're going to end up there. So choose your friends wisely and look where you want to go. And I think that makes a big difference as well.
Totally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so those were some tips on how to get a little bit faster on your snowboard. Let's see if it works for Sunglass Rob over here. Speaking of Sunglass Rob, if you have any questions on goggles or prescription glasses or prescription goggles, you can always email info@sportrx.com and we'll get back to you, or leave a comment comment down in the comment section. If you want to learn how to become a better snowboarder, I would highly encourage you to follow the Snowboard Pro Camp YouTube channel, and also you can follow them on Instagram. It has some really fun stories there.
At Snowboard Pro Camp.
Yes, nice. All right, thanks guys. We'll see you out there.
See you guys.